Hi guys, this is Kiana. I am about to open my new King James Version Study Bible. Okay, here it is, how it looks. I'm the poster child for the Bible. Okay, let's open it. Go ahead, girlfriend. You can hide me. I was talking to my roommate. She asked if she can get some veggies. Wow. I love the purple. It's leather. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's see. I'm opening. Let's open it. This is the Bible. This is me opening it. Ooh. This is exciting because I've always wanted a study Bible. I like to study and I like the Bible. 2 in 1. And because I'm also in school for theology, so this is like the perfect gift I can give myself. Oh, okay. Wow, it has beautiful pictures. The words are easy to read. At the bottom, the papers are like, or the sheets, how it feels. And I just like how they just tell me. You're not saying it. The book of Ezekiel. So, kind of has like the title of the book, description, a photo with comments about what that photo is. And it goes on. Have an outline of it. Ooh, outline of it. Kind of. And also has like, this is like the study part, the commentary, if you will. Just a part to help you understand each verse. Because you can read the Bible. I feel like when you read the Bible, you're either understanding it like just word for word. Oh, this is what this says. So it obviously that's what it means. But most of the time, it's not even what you think it is. It's deeper than that. Or it's just more simplistic than you're overthinking. And so I feel the study Bible is a way to help me to understand those things which I feel I'm having a hard time understanding, or those things that are just right in front of my face, and it just kind of gives me a bird's eye or what it is that I want to understand. So I'm excited to continue through here. I'm going to be using this at home. I may have to take like a little Bible to church, but when I'm at home, I definitely want to use this because it's so cool. And in the back of it, it has not just the title of the books, but it also has just different names and what scriptures you can find that for. So one word is principality, another word is prison, another word is rejoicing, release. So just like, I guess, focus themes or names that you can find in the Bible, and then just it takes you to that. And I think that's helpful when you're going through something, or when you're not going through something and you just have a question. Like if I have a question about remove or remembrance or reveal or revenge, I can just go here to where it says revenge. 2 Corinthians, it has something about 2 Corinthians 10 and 6, and I can just look that up. not just look it up, right? Because when you read something, sometimes you're reading just from your point of view. But the Study Bible allows you to go down to the bottom and get a clear understanding of it. From its view. So, looking forward to it. I'll be giving like an update on how I'm enjoying it, what I'm liking so far. Oh wow, look at this added edition. It has like a bookmark instilled in here. Bookmark right here. Ooh, bookmark. I like bookmarks. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I hope you have a Bible and are enjoying reading it. In your quiet time with God, or in your leisure time at home, or in trying times in the moment. So y'all get out there, read it, have some fun, and I will talk to you soon. Ciao.